are on tally-ho in the engine room. These are twin Volvo D12s rated at 715 horsepower. They have approximately 350 hours. The oil change was done here in Newport Beach in April of 2014. She has dripless shaft packings both sides. This is the yacht electrical panel that Marquis has always installed. Redundancy all over. You've got generator chargers, you've got an engine thruster battery charger group, you've got an inverter that charges the house and the inverter batteries. You've also got an inverter bypass switch here. Marquis really built this boat to an A standard, which is nice. Bayport Yachts was the selling dealer for this boat. Originally sold in late 09, early 10 to the first owner. She is an LLC owned boat. 2 owners. Generator is a 22 kW. We have a water maker, which is an FCI. Underwater lights, bow and stern thruster, batteries galore, house batteries, engine batteries, they're all labeled. Underwater exhaust, shore cord by Glendenning. Give us a call at Bayport Yachts, 949-631-0228. Ask for J.R. Means. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you.